Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Reefs. Today we're going to be talking about how you can actually increase your views on Instagram in 2020. Now, this video should be pretty simple and straightforward, but as always, if you have any questions, I'm super happy to answer any of them in the comments down below. Anyway, before we get started, if you guys could leave a like on this video, I would appreciate it a lot. Also, if you guys could subscribe with post notifications turned on. Half of my viewers aren't even subscribed, so if you guys could subscribe, I would really appreciate that as well. Today, we are going to be talking about how you can increase your views on Instagram. Now, it's pretty simple and straightforward. There are some little tips and tricks that I'm going to be telling you guys about today. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, if you guys are not posting every day or 2 to 3 times a day, that is the first thing you guys are going to need to do. If you guys are not posting consistently at the same time every single day, you are going to see a drop in views. Instagram really likes when you post consistently and every day, and even 2 to 3 times a day is what's best. But if you guys are not posting consistently, then that's the first thing. You're not going to get as many views as the same guy that's posting every day if you're posting once a week. That's just how it is. Your Instagram followers are going to be more engaged if you're posting every day, and you're more likely to show up on their feed. So if you're not posting every day, that's step 1. Start posting every day. My next tip for you guys is to use a captivating cover. So there's a cover feature on Instagram, if you guys didn't know, where you can actually select the cover. If you guys just pick a captivating cover, like a part of the video that looks the most interesting, or the most things are going on, or the most colorful, you're going to see a rise in views, because everyone on the explore page, if you have a captivating cover, they're going to click your video way more often, and you want a higher click-through rate. One thing that you could do is just make a circle around anything during the video. It's very easy to edit it into the video. There's many editing softwares where you can add a red circle for 1 frame of the video, and then you just save it, go into your Instagram, and you just select the cover where the red circle is. And therefore, when people are finding it on their explore page and they see the red circle, they're going to think it's more interesting, and they're going to click it way more often than just a random cover. So if you guys are not using captivating covers and very clickable covers, then you're not going to see as many views as the same guy who's using very captivating covers with red circles, maybe even some arrows, getting the viewer on the explore page to click the video. That's exactly what you want. That's my second tip, is just pick a captivating cover. My third and final tip for you guys to get more views on Instagram is to have an engaging caption on every single post, and captions that encourage shares, follows, and comments. The more comments and more engagement in general that you get on your post, the more likely Instagram is actually going to promote it to the explore page, or just more people on your feed. So basically, all you really have to do is, in your caption when you're posting, make something very engaging. Say something like, oh, tag 5 friends that need to send you this, or tag 5 friends, or comment 10 times. The more comments you have on the post, the more engaged your viewers are, and more likely it's going to get on the explore page, or just seen more by people on your feed. I'll put up a picture of an engaging caption versus a not engaging caption, and the difference really is that the more engaging caption is going to drive more shares, saves, and comments, and the one with more comments, shares, and saves is going to get promoted more by Instagram. Instagram likes when you get more engagement, and that's what's driving the views. You can use the same caption for everything pretty much. If you're in one theme, just make a note in your iPhone or on Android, and then just make a caption for every single one of your posts, and then just copy and paste it on every single one of your posts in the caption, so that people are more likely to engage. So those were the 3 tips I have for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. It's not a long video, and I hope it was pretty simple for you guys to understand. If not, be sure to comment any questions down below. I'm happy to answer every single question down there. Please be sure to subscribe and like with bell notifications turned on. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.